For eyeshadow, eto lang yung gamit ko na palette, mga mimakwa. So, this is the Squadlet Mini Palette in Sneaky from Squad Cosmetics. And so, I'm going to start off with the lightest shade and I'm going to put that all over my eyelids para lang siyang slip layer, kumbaga. Ayan, parang wash of color lang all over the eyelids. Next, I will be taking this medium brown shade and I'm going to put that on the crease and above. Super easy eyeshadow look to. Next, I'm taking that same shade pero I will be using my finger para i-concentrate siya sa outer half. Yan. Just like that. And then, yung darkest shade, super konti lang dito sa outer corner. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm taking the same Lucky Beauty highlighter. Tapos ipe-press in ko lang din siya. For eyeliner, I am using Caroline's Graph Ink Eyeliner. Ayan, di ba? So, ayan. Dito ako nagsa-start talaga sa wing. And then, dina-drag in ko lang yung line. So, ayan. Sa upper lashes, 1 coat lang yung nilalagay ko kasi magpo-falsies naman ako. And then, for the bottom lashes, usually 3 coats yan. Para pakak na pakak. Ayan. So, this is what 3 layers of the O2O mascara looks like on the lower lashes. Amazing, diba? Next, take any black pencil liner and use this to tightline your waterline. Next, for lashes, ito yung gamit ko. As you can see, manipis lang siya pero mahaba. Medyo wispy siya. Lastly, for the lips, I am using the Vice Cosmetics Kisses It Lip Liner. And then for lipstick, I'm using my favorite. Ito yung everyday lipstick ko. This is Pillow Talk Intense from Charlotte Tilbury. Look. And this is the final look. Sorry, tinatamad na talaga ako mag-ayos ng buhok. Pero eto siya. Ganda, diba? Mas madali lang siya gawin. Bye!